So there's 6 screws holding the 2 roof panels to the wall. And I'm going to disconnect those and just let the panel drop, and we'll see how it holds up. So virtually no damage to the panels. Now I can disassemble them. That was pretty safe, actually. The first 2 I did kind of pinched. If you drive wedges down there, you can get that to separate a little bit. But if this was a hard surface, I believe you could stack tires without, a rim in it, up about that high, and they could hit dead center on that, and you could do that on a concrete or even a wood surface with minimum damage, if you're in a hurry, an emergency situation or something like that.